everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, as the title of the video indicates, this is the International Christmas Wreath Challenge 2019. This challenge is hosted by MomDas from MomDas Life Handmade, Pat from Style with Pat, Jenny and Diane from Deco, Michelle from Chelle's Glam, Ruth from Kentucky Frey'd Fun, and Kiki from Kiki DIYs. 6 hostesses, 6 awesome channels, and what can I say about them? You have to check all the channels by yourself because all the inspiration I get from them. I've been following them for a while. I love all those channels. I watch almost all their videos. So please go and check those channels. Also check the playlist. All the links are going to be in the description box below because you will see all the videos of all the participants in the challenge. Okay, let's get into the Christmas wreath. This is a very simple and quick and easy Christmas wreath to make. I used one embroidery hoop, and I used the 2 hoops, and what I did was I took pictures because to save time I did some steps, or I have some steps done already. I removed this part, you know, there is kind of a hook that is in the outside hoop sorry, and then I placed that outside hoop inside the smaller one, the one that doesn't have the screw, whatever you can call it, that is to fasten it and to fix it. So I wanted something smaller, so that's why I used the larger one inside the smaller one. Then I glued everything, as you can see here, with hot glue, and I had this burlap ribbon and I wanted to use it here. I didn't have enough to cover all the hoop, but this area is not going to be seen, so no worries about that. I bought this greenery at Michael's. It's absolutely gorgeous, as you can see. I glued it together, both branches together, and I bent them to fit in the border of the hoops. So as you see, I don't need to add anything else to this. It's really pretty. All I have to do now is to glue this to the hoops. So I'm going to add a lot of hot glue. I need a new stick. So now I'm going to press these branches to keep them in place. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'll add more later if necessary, but I just want to make this quickly now for you to see what I'm coming up with. I wanted to add some farmhousey item to the wreath, so I found this barn at Michael's. It's an ornament. You have to hang it. It's intended for you to hang it from the Christmas tree. I removed the hook here, so I wanted to add the Christmas trees that are from Dollar Tree, and I glued them already to the house, as you can see here and here. And then I wanted them to be higher because I am going to add some poinsettias here. So what I did is I took 2 Jenga pieces. This one is from Family Dollar, sorry, and this one is from Dollar Tree. As you can see, Dollar Tree Jenga pieces are much smaller. And this came in handy because I wanted the smaller part to be on top, just in case. It's not going to be seen, but just in case. And this is going to give this piece some height. I use the proverbial shoe polish, liquid shoe polish, to stain these 2 pieces, and I glue them together with E6000. So now I'm going to glue this piece here. I'm going to glue, let me see, I'm going to glue the barn first. I think it's going to be easier. Okay, here we go. I may need E6000 for this, but well, for now it's going to work. Okay, and now I'm going to add some poinsettias. So this is not going to be seen, this space here. I'm going to add one here. I don't know why my glue gun is not working properly. Here we go. I'm going to add one on this side. Like so. And one in the center. I don't want this leaf to cover the barn. That's why I'm moving it to the side. Okay, and we are almost done, because what I'm going to do now, if my glue gun works, because it's kind of not working, I don't know why. I already made this bow. I bought this ribbon online on eBay, and I made a very easy bow, just 2 loops and the tails, and I'm going to add it to the top of the wreath. Sorry. Here we go. Okay. I'll take care of the tails later. And the last item is another flower here. So well, I have to do this because it's not working. I have another one, so I'm going to use the other one next. But for now, this is all I need. So here you have it. A very beautiful, I think it's gorgeous, Christmas wreath. It's kind of boho and farmhousey all at the same time, that you can make in just a few minutes. It's a matter of buying this greenery that makes the whole wreath and the people instead that's from Dollar Tree, and that's almost it. I really like how it looks. I'm going to show you how it looks hanging from a wall, and I hope you like it too. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video. I want to thank the 6 hostesses again, and I want to ask you again, please visit their channels, please watch all the videos in the playlist, and give them thumbs up also. I think that it helps all of us if we watch the videos and give thumbs ups and subscribe, and it's kind of getting to help each other. So, hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching from the very bottom of my heart, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.